Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Tech Mahindra's profits rise. Finance Minister says growth could fall below 6% this year. And markets end Monday flat. We begin with software company Tech Mahindra, which reported its quarterly earnings on Monday. The announcement included the earnings from Hutchison Global Services, which Tech Mahindra took over. Net profit rose 23% year-on-year to 296 crores. That came on the back of a 22% gain in revenue to 1,631 crores. Executive Vice Chairman Vineet Nayyar said new orders and non-organic growth fueled Tech Mahindra's growth during the quarter. The company announced its earnings after markets had closed. Shares of Tech Mahindra climbed up 0.37% on the BSE. On a day, the Sensex inched up 0.04%. Moving on, Finance Minister P. Chidambaram has made it clear he doesn't expect India's economy to pick up speed this fiscal. He now says he expects India to grow at between 5.5 and 6% of GDP this fiscal. By 2013-14, he expects that to pick up and reach 7%. And by 2014-15, he's hoping the economy will grow at 8% of GDP. While Chidambaram's growth target seems modest, they are more optimistic than many others. For example, the IMF expects less than 5% growth this calendar year. Separately, Chidambaram also said India's inflation remained at unacceptable levels. Staying with the economy, India's services sector growth has fallen to its lowest level in 6 months. The HSBC Market Purchasing Managers Index for services stood at just 53.8 in October. The previous month, it was at 55.8. Services account for about 60% of India's output. The October slowdown seems to have been prompted by poor demand from the US and Eurozone. And finally, global markets may have fallen, but Indian markets nudged up slightly on Monday, marking their fourth straight day in the green. The Sensex finished 7 points higher at 18,763, and the Nifty inched ahead 6 points to 5,704. Defensive FMCG shares were among the day's big winners. ITC jumped up 1.64% on the BSE to 288, and Colgate-Palmolive gained 2.38% to 1,301 rupees and 30 paise. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.